what's going on, you guys? It's Serena Mingle over at the Adorned Locket. Just wanted to review and kind of unbox and go through with you guys my recent purchase from Potomac Beads. So let's get into it. So these are some items I ordered. Let's make sure we got everything out of there. All right. Comes with your little inventory list. So here's some beautiful things like the Check Rose Petals Collection Summer Days. So get these to show you a little bit better. So it consists of, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different colors in this summer days, the petal collection. So these are check glass, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, there's 15 each of these. And here are the color combinations you get here. Beautiful. I haven't used these yet, so I was very interested to see what I can come up with in the future using these, perhaps for my bead embroidery. So that's the summer collection of the check petals. And I also got another one. I actually double ordered this. So I ordered this in the past, probably last year, and I didn't remember. So like a goofus, of course. So there are these ones in this collection. This colorway is called the Winter Nights. So these check glass petals, look at this one. This one's pretty cool because it's got like a golden copperish, kind of like bronzy maybe, with black on one side and bronzy on the other. And these are like some satin. These remind me of like French glass, like satin check glass blue. And then there's some that have the rainbow iridescent. So these are heat treated check glass, of course, when you get the iridized finish like that. And this one's pretty. It looks like a really, really deep burgundy. Almost like a brown, but not quite. Beautiful. So you've got quite a collection. Again, there's 5 colors there. You get 15 each. And what's this one? I love check faceted round beads. So these are all 4mm collection. What's this color? I'm not sure if this had a colorway label. So let's see. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. I don't have any of these, so I was very interested when it comes to bead embroidery projects. Oh, got this one. Looks like a what is that? Picasso. One of my favorite finishes, Picasso. So all faceted, 4mm in size. Those are so pretty. And these are fire polished with that luster look. I love those. Kind of like a raspberry color. And then these are red. So there is that check faceted round beads 4mm collection. What else did I get? Let's see. My favorite beading needles. These are by Bead Tech. You get a variety. So there's 2 of each. You get size 10, 11, and 12. Total of 6 needles each in there. I love these for bead embroidery or peyote stitch, interlace weaving. They are great. What I notice is they will bend with what you're doing, and whereas other retailer needles that I've purchased, they tend to break. These have been so good to me, and they can really, I'll be honest, these guys could take a beating and they're still useful and you can still use them. So, which is why I continue to buy the Bead Tech beading needles. So, love those. Needed to get some more of those. And let's see, what did I get here? So the Blue Flare Crystal Bicones by Potomac Beads, they did come back in stock. So I got a variety of the 2mm, 3, 4, and 6mm. Whoops. Very, very pretty. I know this was from their Arctic treasure box. It was so pretty and they intrigued me. I was like, ooh, went to go buy them, but they were out of stock. So then they restocked, because all you have to do online on their website is you click to be notified when items come back in stock and you receive the email. So that's what I did, and I ordered up and got my little inventory of the Blue Flare Crystal Bicones in various sizes. Love those. They're so pretty. They catch the light so well. And I loved the little white Lila Vega Luster 3mm check faceted rounds. Again, these come in handy when I do bead embroidery. I don't have this color, so I was very happy to get these to do my next project. So those are beautiful. They also have a luster finish and they catch the light really well. So super pretty. I love purple hues, lavenders, dusty roses, so that's typically me. Love these guys. So that's what you can get at Potomac Beads. Now this is a bead on it board. I've had this and I ordered mine. From time to time, take note of the sales that happen on the website at potomacbeads.com. Sometimes they run sales for however many you buy, there's a discounted rate, or, you know, sometimes there's just specials on beads, findings, there's unlimited things, the collections I've showed you. Sometimes they'll put buy cones on sale. It just depends. And then there's always going to be that little reminder of timers, so you know when to put your order in by. And also, if you sign up on their website, you know, it will give you a daily newsletter. So you'll see that come into your box. You'll have notification when things are in stock. Like I said, if you sign up for Notify Me, when items come back in stock. Just so many things to check out there. So don't be afraid. They have an awesome 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, I don't know very many companies that do that, but this company is solid for their Potomac Beads brand. So check it out. Feel free to use my portal link below. That will that gives me a small commission should you decide to make a purchase, and I thank you. And we'll see you back here for the next treasure box unboxing, and then the creation to follow that every month. Thank you guys for taking the time, and we'll catch you later. Bye.